In PowerPoint Office 365, you have limited options for printing. Let's take a quick look. Click on the File tab, and we go down to Print. You can see here you can print all slides, or you could choose just some slides. You can have notes on the page, and if we click here, we'll see you get simply one slide with notes. You could also do full page, or you could do outline mode. If you do handouts, you can do multiple slides per page, but they do not include all of your notes. They simply include blank spaces for taking notes. So let's go back again. Let's do full slides. So one option you can do to have multiple slides with your notes is to go to Export. So we go to Export. We go to Create Handouts, and then again here, Create Handouts, and we get some options. These handouts are to be sent to Microsoft Word. So the choice most likely you want to solve this problem is Notes next to Slides, and we want to choose the Paste option, not the Paste link. So I'm just going to say OK. And then Microsoft Word opens up and begins populating. Let's scroll up to the top. You can see here on the first slide I had a simple note. Here's a note. On the next slide I made a much longer note just to see what would happen. So you can see this note is pretty big. Well, we can still make some adjustments here. This is a regular Word document. This is a table, and it's got 3 columns in the table, and you can see column headers up here at the top. I'm going to go to my Layout tab, over to Orientation, and change it to Landscape. Now with Landscape, I have some more options to move things around a little bit. I'm going to come over here to my table column. I'm going to click and just pull that over to make that larger. And I can also come over here into the very first column and put my cursor just between the top and the second row and click and drag, and I can bring that up a little bit if I don't need that much room. And I can come down here, and you could do the same thing here. Now by default it's actually breaking this table and just giving us 2 rows or 2 slides per page. You could cut and paste and make some changes to that if you know how to work with tables. But otherwise we can move them around here. I would recommend just starting with the first column if you want to make your rows skinnier, and then just simply click on the column headers if you want to change that over here. And of course you can edit your notes here, and like for instance you might say, well, I meant to have those bullets. We can go to the Home tab and simply click on bullets, and you can do other things like that. Okay, good luck. This has been printing notes with multiple slides on a single sheet in PowerPoint.